Hello everybody, welcome to IP Fight. Today I would like to discuss a fascinating innovation in environmental technology, the air quality index showing street lamp. This technological innovation has a potential to create a cleaner, safer and more sustainable world. Ladies and gentlemen, these street lamps have a solar panel that converts sunlight into electrical energy, a long-lasting LED lamp and high-definition camera for safety and security. They have a lithium-ion battery for continuous operation and an LED display to show air quality data and other critical information. The lamp also have air pollution monitoring sensors that detect harmful pollutants in order to identify area of high pollution. Let's discuss the component of this innovative street lamp in detail. First and foremost, these street lamps are powered by solar panels that convert sunlight into electrical energy. The panels are made up of high-quality crystalline silicon and are protected by tempered glass. This provides a sustainable source of energy that reduces the carbon footprints and promotes sustainability. The primary light source of this street lamp is a high-quality LED lamp. These lamps have low power consumption and long life, providing adequate lighting while using minimal energy. This results in low power bills and maintenance cost. The street lamps are fitted with a high-definition camera capable of capturing clear images and videos of the surrounding environment, promoting safety and security. Additionally, the electrical energy generated by the solar panel is stored in high-quality lithium-ion battery, ensuring continuous operation even during the night or when there is no sunlight. One of the most critical features of this street lamp is the LED display that is used to show the data collected by the air pollution monitoring sensors. These sensors detect the presence of harmful pollutants such as carbon monoxides, nitrogen dioxides, sulfur dioxides and ozones. The data collected by these sensors are analyzed by an onboard computer and displayed on the LED display. This provides valuable information to the public for air quality index, weather updates and emergency messages. By monitoring air quality and identifying areas of high pollution, these street lamps play a crucial role in addressing climate change. The information provided by these lamps enables us to take steps to reduce emissions and create a more sustainable future. This promotes sustainability, reduces carbon emissions, and helps to mitigate the effect of climate change. In conclusion, the street lamps that shows air quality index and climate change is an extraordinary technological innovation that has a potential to create a cleaner, safer, and more sustainable world. By harnessing the power of sun, monitoring air quality, and providing critical information to the public, the street lamps can help us to make a positive impact on our environment. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video content informative and valuable, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated to our latest videos. By doing so, you are helping us to reach more and more people and spread awareness about the importance of sustainable technologies and about how we can convert our research into patents also. To know more about how we can convert our research into patents or our projects into patents and businesses, visit our website ipfight.com or call upon this number. Thank you for your support.